Hello my friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. So today I want to show you how you can design your wall under $300. So I have this wall in my house. So I want to design that wall. So as you see, I try to put the first roll. The wood I want to put on my wall from this side. As you see, a little gap here. So you have to put that wood level. So your first roll should be level all the way. So you're gonna have a level wood up to the top after that. So the first roll is very important. So that gap, because of I made this one level. Let me bring the level. I brought the level, so as you see, it's almost level. So I have to bring this a little up to make that level. So it's level all the way to over there. So I should be fine for the rest. So I use the liquid nail. I put the liquid nail and I use the drywall screw, one drywall screw as you see, and in each of them. So to hold the wood on the wall. So I'm gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna show you how you can put cover the outlet nice on the wood when we get here. Also on the switch, on the lights, and on the air supply cover. So stay with me for the next step. Okay, the screw I'm using is number 6 1.5/8. So I use this screw to secure that to the wall. So as you see, this is the last piece of my wood. I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna level it and put the screw to hold it in the wall. Let me show you. So just put the liquid nail on the top. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. Different size of wood. This is, each one of these is 4 foot. So, and I have the other one is shorter. So it's 27.5 inches. So every time you put, this is 4 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot, and 27.5. So, and again, I'm gonna start in this side. I'm not gonna put 4 foot, I'm gonna put 27.5. So, and after that 4 foot. So each time you have to put different size. So 4 foot, 27, again 4 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot in the end. And next time I want to start here, I'm gonna put 4 foot instead of 27.5. And in the end, it's gonna be 27.5. I'm gonna keep going up. So let me install those. I'm gonna show you when I get here. Okay, I installed the second one, but I decided to put 2 screws, one here, one over there on each one. So much better. I put 4 feet, 1 screw here, 1 screw here. So removing here, we're gonna see the outlet. So we have to cut the wood for the outlet. So I marked the outlet here and here, and I measure with the tape measure from here to the bottom of the light. I'm sorry, the outlet. So it's 1 inch. So I measure from here to here 1 inch, and I put the line. So I have to take this piece out, so we're gonna have access to the outlet, and I'm gonna cut that with the jigsaw. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, this is the jigsaw. So we use the jigsaw to cut that. I put the special saw for the wood, and I start cut this piece. Make sure, please make sure you have a safety glasses on before you cut it. Okay, thank you. There you go. So I cut it. It's perfect. So let me show you how you can put your outlet. Okay, make sure to cut the wood exactly under this. So I have to cut this a little more. I have to cut it a little more to go under that. Okay, I cut the wood a little more. As you see, it's go under that. So we have to replace these 2 screws, one here and one there. This is not long enough. I have to take this off and buy the longer one. So when I put my cover, here, so that outlet can reach the cover. Alright, so I go home to Home Depot to find a longer screw, and I bought it. The longer one is number 632 by 1 1/4. That's the right side. So I'm gonna change that. I already put one. I'm gonna put the next one, and I show you the result. Okay, let me show you the result. I just put a temporary to show you. So when you put this cover, that's gonna hold the outlet. So as you see in the back, he has a gap, but that screw is holding. So when I put the another piece here, so everything is gonna be fine. And don't worry, your outlet is secure. It's not gonna, you put something, you plug something, it's not gonna go back. So this is a trick you have to know. Alright, so let me take this out. So this one is still loose. I'm gonna put the glue and keep going. Alright. Okay, now is the time to do the top part. As you see, I start from that side. So I'm gonna do that part. And those, I have to secure it here. I didn't put the screw or nothing. So I'm gonna cut this one first. So as you see, I'm gonna make the mark. Don't worry, so because that cover, if you cut more, that cover is gonna cover everything. So don't worry. So I'm gonna mark one here and one here. I'm gonna measure this side and bring it here and mark it. Okay, I want to measure it, so it's 1.5. 1.5. So from here, I go 1.5 and mark it. There you go. So 1.5 this side, and I make a mark. So let's go cut. There you go. I cut it. As I said, it doesn't need to be perfect because it's gonna cover like that. So let me glue that one and I will show you. Okay, we did the same thing here. We just changed the screw to the longer one and we cut it as I explained for the outlet here, and we just keep going again, keep doing it. So we have to do around the light fixture. So I will show you how to do around that one. Okay, I took off the light. So I'm gonna measure here to here, and I'm gonna cut the wood around it. So like that. You don't need to be circle because the light's gonna cover it. So don't worry about that. Let me put the wood until I get here and I will show you. Alright, so I measured it and I cut it. You see, as you see, it's a 1/2 inch here, and I measured this side, so it's good. Okay. So I'm gonna finish this side. The top part is the same. So I'm gonna put down another wood and cut the top. So, and we don't need to buy the screw for that because this screw is adjustable. So I can, make it longer and I unscrew it so it's a bit longer. Alright. Okay, I removed the cover for my AC supplier. So, and I make a mark and I cut it. So I have another video to show how to remove the mold in your AC supplier cover. If you like to know, check my other video. Measure this part. So I put the wood here. You have to go around the air supplier. So I'm gonna measure here and cut it. So I try to be a little close to them edge. So to 100% sure my cover is gonna cover the wood. Cover the screw, all the screw we have like that. So this is a screw. This is the other screw. So we covered the screw with the product they call Plastic Wood X. So after it's dry, so you're not gonna see that much different in the wall. And as you see, I'm working in the top. So I have to cut that piece in the top 2.5 inch. So I have to cut it, and I go all the way straight over there. Anyway, okay, now is the time to stain. So we like this color, so to get that color we have to use the antique white stain, wood stain, and after that we're gonna put the other stain is wood finish. And the way you use, I'll use the brush to put the white stain, and after that, grab the towel to wipe it off. So it's gonna be this color. It's a little white. I'm not sure you can see in the video, but it's white a little. It's different with this and this. And after that, add the brown color, so it's gonna look like a old style. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the result. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home, or make the design around your home, or remodel your home by yourself without paying anyone. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment section.